So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I have made over $2,500 in one day promoting one affiliate offer, which pays really well. So as you can see over here, I had 430 impressions and 23 signups, and out of 23 signups, I got 3 sales. So basically $2,567 in profit. Now I have not used any ads, basically no paid advertising, which is basically, it doesn't mean I used free traffic, but I used something else, which is called email ads. So what did I do? Let me show you over here. One of the offers that works really well, I will show you over here, is called, as you can see here, the 3 steps formula. So what is this 3-step formula? It's also called the fast track. So if you go, for example, you can use Clickbank. In this case, you can go on clickbank.com, and under the offers, you can type in the fast track, and you will be able to find this product and promote it as an affiliate. Now, what is the great thing about this? The great thing about this is that you can send basically traffic without having any website straight to your affiliate link. Now, why would that work well? It's because this is make money online offer, which is basically different than weight loss offers. You know, like if you're promoting weight loss offers, I would suggest using ads. If you're promoting e-business offer, online marketing offers, or digital marketing niche, then I would suggest you to use paid email ads. Now, how it works? You see, we send traffic straight to your affiliate link. So, for example, if you go to the fast track, you can see over here, you can get paid up to $500 per sale, which is really great, right? If you have, let's say, 4 sales, you're making $2,000 per week or per month, depends on you. So you can basically send traffic, qualified, high quality traffic to your affiliate link. And there are many different email ads out there, or let's say solo ads that you can use. Now, what is the most important thing to know if you're a newbie watching this video about email ads? You have to understand how it works. You pay per click, right? You buy traffic, you buy buyers' clicks, and those clicks are sent to your affiliate link. In this case, for example, with the fast track, you go over here, you register as an affiliate, and you can promote this offer. And then you are going to get paid based on the sales you get or you make, right? That comes through your affiliate link. So let me give you a simple example. Let's say that you purchase the clicks for $1,000 or $500 US. Like, for example, you could get for $500, you could get, let's say, 400 buyers clicks. Now, who are those people? Those people are basically high quality people, VIP members who already bought these kind of products, who are already buyers. You know, you have to understand your audience very well. You have to understand this. There are many different level of awareness in your audience, and there are people who are already aware of the product. They are already looking to buy this product. They are already looking for the review. So they will see your page with bonus. They will see your email, and they're going to buy the product. And you're going to get, my friend, $500 in profit in affiliate commissions using Clickbank. So how it works? After watching this video, if you really want to have results faster and quicker without having to run any ads, then click the links below this video. What you do need to have is minimum from $250 to at least, I would say, $500 to $600 US on the side to invest into your business. So if you want to get some real results, you have to invest some money, of course. If someone tells you don't have to invest anything, they're basically lying to you. So you will have to invest some money, of course, definitely. So it works by sending traffic straight to your affiliate link, and from there you can start generating sales. Now we have structure in place, right? We have structure in place, different emails that we give to you. All this is done for you and together with you. So basically, we will send the tracking and traffic sent to your affiliate link, and from there we are going to track it together with you. So you're going to be able to start seeing results now as you're watching this video, and beginning to see sales coming in every single day after we send the traffic. So the traffic is sent in the first 24 hours, and from there is monitored every single day for the first 4 days. So you'll be able to start seeing results and sales as you are getting this traffic. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, click the links, reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook or email or WhatsApp, whatever you are preferring, and then let's connect together so you can receive your buyers clicks and traffic that can be sent straight to your affiliate link from Clickbank. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to connect with me below after watching this video. Thank you.